Adding text to the logo. Including text to the logo, first give a background color for the text. By using rectangle tool, draw a rectangle, then change its color. Then select the text tool and type the text. Taste the real taste of nature. Select the text by double clicking on the text and change into bold. Then select the text using selection tool and increase its size and move the text into the background portion. Adjust its size into the background object. Then take the duplicate of the text by clicking Edit menu, Duplicate option. Then change the color of the duplicate text. There are two texts, black colored original text and green colored duplicate text. Reduce the size of the duplicate text. Now the original text looks like a shadow at the bottom of the duplicate text. Select the objects. Then group the objects by using Object menu, Group option. Move the object text and adjust its size according to the object cup and saucer. You have seen the text written in a curve in rubber stamps and logos. Let us see how this can be done. Adding text in a curve. Again type a text, a Kudumbashree initiative. Select the text by double clicking on the text and change its font into bold. Then select the text by using text tool and adjust its size. Draw a circle using circle tool. To get the correct circle, press and hold Ctrl key and then draw the circle. Change its starting point into 180. In the tool control box, the starting point is 0. Then change it into 180. Now the circle changed into semicircle. Select the text and semicircle. Then click on text menu. Select the option Put on Path. Adjust the space in between text. Click on text tool and then adjust the size of the text. Place the cursor to the starting of the text, then adjust the space according to the semicircle. To remove the fill color and stroke paint color of the semicircle from the fill and stroke window, use No Paint from the Fill and Stroke Paint tabs. Now created the curved text. Move all the objects into the appropriate places. Select all the objects and click on Object menu, Group option. To give background to the object, draw a rectangle using Rectangle tool. Select the rectangle using Selection tool and to adjust the rectangle, to the bottom of the object. Click on Object menu, lower option. Change the fill color into white. Adjust the size of the rectangle according to the object. Then select all the objects and click on Object menu, Group option.